Providing a quick update on the Suzuki King Quad 300 project. The engine is back in. It seems to run pretty well. Let's see if it starts up here for us. The engine's back in. It's back to running. Right now I'm just going through and doing some cosmetic work on it before I actually put all the plastics and metal back on it. Show you a little bit of what I've been working on. So over here I have, the front guard off, the front bumper, just getting all the rust off it, doing some metal prep on it. I'll do some rust preventative primer, and I'm probably just going to use bed liner on all this stuff. I did something similar to the racks. These actually took quite a bit of time to kind of clean up, and I did the metal prep on it to neutralize the rust, and then I did a good rust primer, and then I went over it and did bed liner on it. I think it turned out pretty good. So we're kind of going piece by piece on this. I guess the engine swap was the biggest. This thing escalated quickly, and any of you who get into these projects know how much of a time suck this ends up being, but it's worth it in the end. Is bringing something that's 30 plus years old back, and to be able to use it again is pretty cool. But I'm relatively happy with the way it turned out. I did go ahead and bed lined all of the rock guards on the bottom, all the belly plates and pans, and the footrests. I painted all the covers. Turned out pretty good. The only thing that I wish I would have probably spent a little bit more time on was this exhaust. It's kind of in bad shape. I was going to weld a new piece into it, but I'm running a little bit low on time lately, so it might be something that I go back around and revisit. We'll have to see how it goes, but that's a pretty quick update on this. Engine's in. Runs good. I've tested it. Shifts through the gears. I'll get the metal back on this soon with the plastics, and probably the next step would be getting a nice set of tires on it, and it should be good to go. So again, this is just an update on my 1993 Suzuki Quad King Quad project. It's been a bit time consuming, but at the same time I've really enjoyed it, bringing this old girl back. And those of you who have them, I hope hope maybe this will inspire you, because I'm just a regular guy with an office job doing this on the side. Thanks for watching.